Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 11th April and today's video topic will be, it is a storytelling topic, and today's story name will be Il Raman as a horse trainer. One big empire of Vijayanagar. It is a big empire. It is a big empire of Vijayanagar. They ruled by the King Krishnadev Rai. King Krishnadev Rai is a very strong, powerful, and is a good person. They also interested to collection of the various horses, and they also they in every year they one racing will be conducted to selected which horse will be good as compared to the others. In this year they also conducted the one race, and they tell uh, to the minister to invite to the other minister to participate to the horse racing, and then decide which horse will be more powerful and also more speed as compared to the others. Then every minister will be thinking that my horse will be much better as compared to the others. Then they train by the horse to every day because they win to the race. Then also Tenali Ram also participated in the racing, and then Tenali Raman horse will be weak as compared to other, but they are Tenali Ram to think that how the horse will be win in the race. Then after that they thinking that, and they click the idea that when a hungry horse is more powerful to the others, then uh, they then Tenali Ram before the race 2 or 3 days they will be not give the food to the horse. That's why the horse will be hungry. Then when others ministers will be also trained by the horse by jockey, trained by the horse, and also one jockey also trained by the horse, and they also give the food, various type of various good food will be give to the horses, and that's why they thinking that's why their horse will be win easily. Then in a uh, in a racing day then all the horse will be situated, and then also they race by the jockey, but Tenali Rams said to drive the horses. They said will be drive the horses, and they surprised that all other ministers how the Tenali Ram will be drive the horses, because they are not well trained jockey. Well, others horses all will be used by the well trained jockey, and then everyone are laughing that to the Tenali Raman. Then after that Tenali Ram sit to the horse, and one in a Tenali Ram hands one pole will be and then they and that pole their grass will be folded, and the grass will be in front of the horse. Then and they all are all the person are see that Tenarema how they are give, and how they are, why they this type of the activities will be do, and then but other people don't understand what do Tenali Ram will be uh, created. Then after that race will be starting, race will be starting, and then Tenali Ram's to to put the hash in front of the horses. Because of the horse will be very hungry, and they not give Tenali Ram food before the 3 or 4 days of racing. That's why they of collect how collective the how the collect the food. That's why the horse will be running so much. So they running so much to catch the grass, but horse but they not catch because the some distance will be situated in front of the horse, because they also Tenali Ram will be sit in the horse. That's why they horse will be not collect collect the grass, but because of the horse will be so much hungry, that's why they run very fast and fast, because they so hungry, and that's why they fast more and more as compared to the others. And then the hungry horse more powerful as compared to the other, because this horse will be some intention, because some intention to how the collect the food, because the horse will be very hungry. That's why they running more and more as compared to the others horses. And then they that's why they, because of the hungry, and that's why they horses will be more powerful as compared to the as compared to others, and also very speedily and also speed of the horse will be more as compared to the others. That's why the horse will be win, and all the person will be very surprised how they horse will be winning, because to look at the horse will be very lonely, and also not strong body, and also not big as compared to the other, but they are horse will be winning. How they are winning? Then also King Krishna Deva Rai also surprised how the horse will be win, and then Tenali Ram tell that the horse will be very hungry, and I am not give the food before the racing 2 or 3 days. That's why more hungry, and that's why that horse will only one intention to grasp the foods, and that's why the speed will be more as compared to the others. This is about the all today storytelling topic is, and the moral of the story is, when hungry person or hungry animals to give anything to collect the food, and to anything to do the collect the food. And this is the moral of the today's storytelling topic. Thank you so much.